Hey everyone, Travis here again, and thank you so much for joining me for our next video tutorial for the Unique.vc platform. So today we're going to cover the different governance configurations that you can choose from when creating your club. So first things first, I want to start by saying that we at Unique.vc believe that an organization's capabilities are relative to its structural setup. Recent experience from activities of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, show that a fully decentralized model is not quite as efficient as it could be. We have therefore introduced both governance and financial configurations that you can choose from when creating your club. So to begin with, governance rights represent members' voting power. Depending on the chosen club governance, there are different types of governing rights models. As clubs info is transparent and available when browsing through clubs, users will be able to see the governance configuration prior to joining. When creating a club, founders can choose among three different design models. So the three different design models that we have currently are deposit-based, role-based, and NFT-based. Let's go through them one by one. So you can see on the website that the first type of governance configuration that we have is deposit-based. Essentially, voting rights are allocated based on the amount of tokens one deposits into the club treasury. The maximum number of votes equals the amount of tokens fundraised. So for the time being, we only have SOL that can be deposited into the club's treasury, but we aim to change that in the future. The next type of configuration is the role-based configuration. So in this setup, the club founder assigns roles with a predefined number of votes to every member. The total number of votes equals the sum of all of the votes allocated. So I'll run you through an example for this one. So the club founder invites members and managers to the club. They assign 10 votes for managers and 5 votes for members. Therefore, whoever joins the club and is assigned one of these roles will have a predefined voting power. As all club information is transparent and available when browsing clubs, users will be able to see the governance configuration prior to joining, as I mentioned earlier. Finally, the last governance configuration is the NFT-based configuration. So for here, voting rights are allocated based on the number of NFTs one owns of a chosen collection. One FT represents one vote. Anyone is allowed to open an NFT-based club for any collection, even if they do not own an NFT from that specific collection. The club founder and managers can also create proposals without possessing an NFT from the collection, but all users need to have an NFT from the collection in order to vote and deposit funds to the treasury. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you have any further questions at all, feel free to click on the link provided. You can also join our Discord server and reach out to any of our community managers. We will be more than happy to do the best we can to answer any questions you have. I'm excited to see you guys in our next video. Thanks again for joining us. Take care.